Hello everyone, my name is Rustam Garoyev and I would like to present my project EduAdvisor AI. Let me start my backend server. Also let me start my frontend server. So, all of us at some point of life want to learn a new skill online, but sometimes we feel completely lost because there are so many resources, videos, articles, and it is hard to know where to begin, which source up-to-date and trustful. And that feeling of being stuck can stop us from learning altogether. EduAdvisor AI is built to help with this issue. It helps to create custom learning plans for any subject you want to learn. It has integrated AI agent and it uses Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, to deliver the best possible guidance. The key benefit of using RAG is that it ensures the advice is based on the latest, most reliable information by accessing a set of controlled, trustworthy, up-to-date resources. Let's see how it works. A new user can sign up by clicking this link. So let's create new user. Passwords. So we created new user. Let me log in with that user. After logging in, I am brought to my dashboard. This is where I can see all of my learning plans. From here, I can look at a plan I have already made or start a new one. Let's make a new plan by clicking button Create New Roadmap. So we have to tell to AI what we want to learn. Let's say I want to learn Node. And my current experience level, let's say I'm a beginner. And preferred learning style, let's say hands-on projects. Let's create my roadmap. The app has created my new roadmap. Now for the cool part. Right now, the AI is looking what I want to learn and how I like to learn. So the roadmap it creates for me won't be generic. To build this personalized plan, it is searching its special library based on the latest, trustworthy and up-to-date resources of high-quality information. And here it is, a complete step-by-step learning plan. Each step is simple and clear, designed to help me learn one thing at a time. Let's go back to my dashboard. I can see the new plan we just created. I can create other roadmap. For example, this time, let me say that I would like to learn Python. Experience level, let's say beginner, and I would like learning style, for example, be video tutorials. So generate steps with AI. As we see, it created a new roadmap for learning Python language, programming language. So these are my learning roadmaps, new roadmaps. In case if I change my mind, I can easily delete a roadmap to keep things tidy. For example, let's say I finish learning Node and I would like to remove this card. So, EduAdvisor AI makes learning new skills simple and organized. Let me shortly say how does this all work behind the scenes. EduAdvisor AI is a full-stack application built with a modern, strictly typed tech stack. The frontend is built with Angular, and I use TypeScript programming language. The backend is a secure REST API powered by Node.js and also Express.js. User data and learning resources are stored in MongoDB Atlas. Here it's stored, and here our embeddings. And the entire system is secured using a JSON Web Token for authentication. The core AI feature uses OpenAI models, but it is enhanced with Retrieval Augmented Generation RAG. So this ensures the advice it gives is not just generic, but grounded in a trusted and verifiable knowledge base, making the recommendation highly accurate. The complete source code for this project is available in GitHub repository, and I have attached it. So shortly, that's it, and thank you for watching.